My name's Chloe Schneider. I'm from San Diego, California, and I go to the University of California, Irvine, where I study drama. I am interning at a small theater in the Isle of Dogs area that's very community-based. We do in-house productions, we're a place of hire, and we also do community theater workshops. I think living in London and interning here has really taught me that I'm a very adaptable person who can get along with lots of different groups and who really wants to travel and move. So I've decided that I really want to join a touring company and travel around the world. There's so many wonderful things about London, but my favorite thing is how you can be in this bustling city with so much going on, and then there are these little quiet spots like parks, rooftop gardens, just amazing places like this where you can just find solace and really think and be away from the crowds. In London, there's so much public transport. Just in Canary Wharf, there's the DLR, there's the tube, there's the buses, and with the Intern London Oyster, you can go pretty much anywhere you would want to go in London. My days vary a lot because we do so much different work at my theater, but my typical day would be I get to the theater, we have a weekly plan where we have a bunch of different tasks that I do. A lot of times my work involves marketing, writing press releases, spreadsheets, a lot of box office work that I do, and sometimes I even get to teach. I work in Canary Wharf, which is the financial district of London, so it's a very bustling place with a lot of people, a lot going on. There's a lot of cafes, coffee shops, restaurants, and we're right alongside the Thames, so you can go have a bite to eat right by the river. I'm most proud of really being open to new ideas in my internship, especially going into a workplace in another country. There are a lot of different ideas about how to do things, and you just meet people who have different backgrounds, and it's good to just accept what they're saying and to have a conversation. If I had one piece of advice to give someone who wants to intern abroad or just in your own area, I would say don't be shy to share your ideas, because even though you're an intern and there's people above you, you have something to contribute to your work environment.